Now say, come in.
Come in.
Hello, I've come to see the doctor for my medical, for the French and Saunders show.
What now?
Yes, the doctor.
No?
No?
I'd completely forgotten about that. All right, read a magazine, I'll be right with you.
Right, okay. Yes, okay.
Oh, yes. I'm so sorry about that. My secretary's been off sick. I wasn't informed of that.
Right.
A medical, you say?
Yes,
right,
please.
take a seat.
Yes.
There's a form to fill in, some unnecessary questions to ask you.
Yes.
Let's kick off. Head.
Yes.
Legs.
Yes.
Bones.
Yes.
Are you now or have you ever been ill?
Yes.
Yes. Have you moved your bladder today?
Yes.
Where to?
To Wokingham.
To Wokingham.
Yes.
A lovely spot. Yes. This one's a bit personal. How old are you?
Ooh. How old do you think I could get away with?
Oh, a couple of hours younger with an extreme makeover. Shall I put that? I'll put that.
Yeah, put that.
Have you ever had that thing where you start a sentence, it turns into complete rubbish?
Yes,
Yeah, I get that always.
Yes.
Tomato. How naughty are you in the week?
I am about two units of
Two
naughty.
units. You
yes.
can lie about
I
naughty.
have lied.
Yes,
I've lied
good.
about that, yes.
Right, pop off your shoes, pop behind the curtain. I'm going to pop some bubble wrap while you pop up on the couch. All right?
Okay.
I love this bit. Keep your pants on.
Yes, I will.
This is therapeutic. Are you ready?
Yes.
Right. I love this bit.
Don't look.
Right, lie down, please.
Yes.
And sit up again, please. And lie down, please. And sit up again, please. And lie down, please. And sit up again, please. And lie down, please. Thank you. I'm now going to tickle your toes.
Right.
Did you feel that at all?
Not at all.
Not
no.
at all. Are you pregnant?
No.
What's that then?
Oh, just big fat wobbly tummy.
It's your big fat wobbly
Yeah.
tummy that you've got.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Sit up. We'll do your reflexes.
Yes, yes.
Push me away from you. Not that hard, you idiot.
Oh, sorry.
Pull me towards you. And give me a wiggly cuddle.
That's nice.
I'm now going to examine you with an extremely tiny torch, all right?
Yes.
The kind of little tiny torch that you get in a Christmas cracker.
Right.
Okay?
Okay.
I'm going to come very close. I may
Yes.
have to breathe on you.
Right.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Here we go. I'm
Yeah.
coming in. I'm coming
Okay.
in. Yes.
Oh.
That's just how we check you've got eyes. I spotted a couple of them.
Might I be pregnant after
You might
that?
be, yes.
Yes, okay.
Open wide, please. Wider. Wider. Do it wider. That's one for your grandchildren.
Oh, thank you very much.
Actually, it's a bit funnier if you put that on.
Oh, right,
There you go.
yes.
Take one of me. Sorry
Oh,
about
right,
this. Hang
yes,
on.
of course, yeah.
Marvellous.
That's going to be good, yeah.
I'm now going to hit all your funny bones with this xylophone stick, all right?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes. Oh. That just became silly. That was just silly.
Hold on there a second.
That's a good photo. Good photo, that one. It's good.
Right. Did you feel that at all?
Not at
Not
all,
at all.
no.
Marvellous. Pop off there. I'm
Right,
going to
yes.
quickly do your height.
Yes.
Incy mincy spider climbing up the spout. Yes, you've grown. You've put on 4 spiders.
4 spiders.
Yes.
Great.
Arms out. I'm going to do your weight.
Yes.
Yes, you're exactly the correct weight for your size.
Oh, good.
I'm now going to hold my balls while you cough. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, go.
Okay.
That's very good. Yes, that's very marvellous. This gave me a hernia.
Sorry.
Shout tit, please.
Tit.
Louder.
Tit.
Louder.
Tit.
It's not to do with the medical, I just don't like my neighbours. Right. You seem perfectly healthy, Miss French.
Yes.
If you'd like to sign at the bottom there.
Yes, I will.
And could you sign this as well, please?
Oh.
It's a birthday card for my friend's son.
Oh, all right.
Could you sign it at Victoria Wood?
Oh. Okay. Yeah.
No, it's just he's a very big fan of hers.
Yes,
very
of
big fan of
course.
hers.
Yes.
Right, off you go. Just fill that up on your way out and leave it on the neighbour's step. All right.